Sobrang lamig ngayong araw. Kahapon ang init-init, nag-garden pa ako. Ngayon, wala na yung towel ko. Basta. Ngayon guys, malamig po. Umuulan. Morning po. Pasok ng mga bata. Ayusin ko sila. Good morning po. Time to water ating halaman na si Violeta. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ay meron po akong ginawa dito na pang dilig ko. Ito po yung fertilizer ko sa kanila. Ito po ay binabad ko na tubig ng rice, 2 spoon rice, tapos aloe vera. Binabad ko po siya. Kagabi ginawa ko, nag-slice lang po ako ng aloe vera, tapos 2 spoon ng rice. So gagawin natin, i-stir natin ganyan. Binabad ko po ito. Saka natin idilig sa ating orchids. Stir natin mabuti. Alam nyo, mabango siya. Amoy aloe vera. Yan. Okay, so ang gawin natin is mix. Sign pala na ano guys, na kailangan ng ma-water ang ating orchids ay po yung gray na po, yung silver gray na po ang kanilang roots. Yan. So, ang gagawin natin ay ganito. Tuwa tayo ng konting dapat morning po natin silang diligan dahil po mag-evaporate po yung tubig sa kanilang base, dahil po ay ang mga orchids na ganitong variety ay sensitive po sila, mahirap po silang alagaan. Dapat talaga na mag-focus ka sa pag-aalaga, dahil po ay experience na po ako mag-alaga ng ganito, pero sa water sila noon. You remember siya yan, our orchids in the old house, and they are very nice in water culture. They are sitting in the water culture. Namatay na po sila nung lumipat kami dito, dahil siguro na-shock sila sa climate, sa environment ng aming bahay, kasi kailangan nito ng humid, mainit ba, gustong gusto nila. So ganyan lang natin, ganyan. Okay, ayan, feeling fresh na sila. Wag lang natin diligan dito sa top niya dahil ayaw po nila. Ayan natin sa base. Tapos itong gamitin natin na tubig na pandilig, tawag nito once a month. Pwede din yung ibang fertilizer, pero ito po ang gagamitin natin. Hayaan lang po natin dito ng 30 minutes. Isok lang natin ng, let's say, 30 minutes. Ayan na, kids.
It's not about capybara. Well, I can see capybara, but it was not the main goal. Because you know, the Christmas festival is in school, right? But it was in the daytime one. And then the capybara, the small one I have, the one you say it's captured, it was alive. It was
Scared.
no, and it was alive. And a good moment was about to happen, but then the alarm rang.
Oh, sorry, Ate. Sorry, my alarm went.
A good moment.
You want the satar ate or laban?
I know
Lovely.
that alarm.
Okay.
Labang. Sorry.
You want cucumber kiyan?
No, no. My bottle went up.
Ayan. Oh, malamig guys. Sobrang malamig. Tignan nyo. Where's your bonnet, mama? Ayan, do. Wait, mama.
Let's go.
Ito, ano ko muna ang mga bangko. Maglamis. Wala, Diyos ko, nagrugit man dito yun. Yan ang mga, ano. Ayan, kahapon, sabi ko, ang init na yung may araw siya. Ngayon naman ay ganito ang sitwasyon. Malamig po. Ganito po ang winter dito sa Lebanon. Umaraw, uminit. Umaraw, umulan. Umiinom tayo ng mainit na tubig para pampainit ba? Buti na lang naglaba ako kahapon. Hello po. Magandang hapon. Kasi 12 o'clock na po, 12:30. Ayan po ang sitwasyon dito. Mahangin po na malamig. Yung mga aso namin nasa loob po sila ng bahay nila. Ayan. At ako'y nagluluto dito. Luto ko ngayon ay, pasensya ako kasi sa head. Nakasombrero ako sa loob. Anyway, ito po yung bulgur. Ayan, ginisa ko po siya ng kamatis, ay yung ang tawag nito, onion, maraming kamatis, at saka spices. Ayan, niluluto ko na po siya. Masarap po yan. Bulgur with laban, yung milk. So, maraming klase ng burgul. Meron po yung pang tabule, yung salad. Meron po yung pang cooking. Ito po yung, ano ko guys, ganitong klase po siya. Ang bulgur pala ay wheat. Tapos giniling nila, ganyan. Dito sa Lebanon, maraming bulgur guys. Klaseng bulgur. May tabule, may pang tabule, may pang cooking, may pang salad. So, ito na po yung pechay na natira. Ito na lang, wala na po akong tanim dahil nga po ay konti lang yung tinanim ko noon. Si Mr. nanonood po sa loob. Nirewind niya yung camera kahapon. And then, ang nangyari, hapon ng 5:30, nandun pa yung halaman. Tapos, hindi na niya kasi makita guys yung plant kung nawala siya dahil nga yung sasakyan na ganyan kasi yung position ng sasakyan. Hindi niya makita dahil nga madali na lang niyang makita sana yung time ng pagkawala ng aking tanim na pechay. Hindi, ano lang naman sana namin is yung malaman namin kung sino. Dahil nga po ay para alam namin yung tao. And yun lang. Yun lang yung purpose namin, para yung malaman lang ba kung sino yung kumuha. Yun lang yung ano ng asawa ko. So, yun. Kaya siguro mamaya, tignan namin yung video.
And I think it's because I kick too much.
But you warm na.
Huh?
You warm?
Yeah, I'm one.
Yan lang. Tapos na po ako nagluto. Dito na mga bata, sobrang lamig. Lamig.
Mommy, I would like to serve myself.
Okay. Kada po ang ating bulgur, malamig po sa labas. Kain na po. Anak ko.
Okay. I'll go, Daddy.
Yes.
Daddy.
Kain na po tayo, guys. Yung laban.
Laban and a friend.
You want laban? It's cold. How you will eat laban?
No, I want laban. Mommy, you can help me with my project today, okay? You're good at editing, right?
Huh?
You are good at editing, right? You
Anything
need
in
to help me make me, and hey, do you have Canva?
what Canva?
The app.
No, I don't have. I have
Pixar?
Mm.
Okay, you need to help me make a travel brochure.
I will see. I don't know.
Sure, you will see this is part of my project. It's my project. Why you didn't put for me?
You said you will put. Eh?
Ano?
You said that. Malamig na nga. Kakain pa kayo ng malamig. Laban.
Kian, you need to put a check mark on Laban.
Laban red.
You check already.
No, she checked the good hole, not the Laban.
Look.
Ito na po ang bulgur. Bulgur. Tignan nyo, chinecheck niya. Bukas, ano? Leftover bulgur or kafta. Ah, you need to eat all ay dalakin.
Oh, what the... Mommy, look. Thank you, Chef Mama.
Thank you, Chef Mama. Naku, may mga schedule na mga bata. Oh my God.
Ian, who's the one who wrote the schedule on the door of the fridge?
Me.
You wrote it?
Yes.
I like it. Monday, fish. Tuesday, fish.
Sunday, Daddy choice.
Yes, Sunday Daddy's choice.
I like it.
Just fish.
Take that, Isaiah. Fish you ask for, fish you'll get.
Thank you, Chef Mama. Yan. Lubie.
Mafia, the
Bulgur.
Sunday choice of Daddy. Daddy's choice. Daddy's choice every day. It's gonna be fish, 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 fish,
But
fish.
sometimes you're not here on Sunday.
Yeah, Saturday.
It's
They
gonna
will,
be fish also.
they will change again. They will change again the Aida.
It's gonna be fish also. Yeah, Mr. Kian. It's gonna be fish also. Normal bread.
See on your bread.
What's a travel brochure?
Should be.
Travel brochure.
Should travel.
Checklist. Travel checklist yumkin.
Should travel.
I don't know.
I
So we
have
have
to make
chef
a
project.
project
Yeah.
and I have to make a travel brochure.
Travel brochure.
Yes.
Yeah, travel.
Like
for
checklist
what?
yumkin.
Huh?
I don't know.
Ticket, yani?
Checklist for traveling. Yani, what he will do in travel. Yani. The place.
Schedule.
You want to
Oh,
put
yes, Mom, you need to make me a travel brochure.
Ana?
Good editing. Wait.
Bas?
Meantime, yes.
Okay. Hada eat broccoli salad, 1 piece each. No, I want kami. Okay.
Sour.
Yeah, hide the salad, daddy. Oh, so cold.
Sour.
Actually,
I close. Haram,
how you close?
I,
Close the window and hide on.
haram the dog. The queen. Kain na po. Ito po yung ating food. Bulgur. Laban. And yung broccoli ni Sir. Sir ni Johnny. Mister. But
Small
one.
busted, small one.
But one?
Yeah,
Okay.
must big, small.
Kain na. Red?
Red.
I like one.
Mmm.
Red is good.
Nice, lovely. Mahmoud Hamid. Mmm.
Did I take another salad one? No?
Yeah.
Yeah, the broccoli.
هلا the kids will eat. يعني the broccoli. It's very nice. مع حامض توم وفيش. واو.
Wait, can it be every Saturday? Is Daddy is not here.
Mm.
Can I choose for
Mommy,
Saturday? Needs food for that. Or maybe for both. When Daddy is here and when Daddy is not here.
oh, I French.
Eh?
Together. No, we will eat shrimps, if not fish.
Give me 2 choices.
This day, and you have, Cheyenne, you have 2 days. يعني 2 kinds of food. You will put them. Dawood Basha Tabu. The second day you have it, Dawood Basha Tabu. So mommy will choose. If she did Dawood Basha, she will make Tabu. The second day. If she made Tabu, she will make Dawood Basha. Or whatever.
The kids give us rules to cook.
No.
To eat.
Mommy, here.
No,
No, it's
no. These are not rules. These are choices. Okay. I understand. Okay, they have the right.
Each of us, there is 2 days.
I respect their right and their opinion, and they must respect mine.
Me 2 days, daddy
Right.
2 days, me 2 days, the kids each 2 days, and daddy 1 day only. That is choice.
Can I do my choice? Can I say my choice already?
Where is it? I know your choice.
You
It's
choose.
very hard.
Just barang.
No, okay, no problem. Whatever he wants. He will put 2 kinds of food for his every day he chose.
Kusa.
Kusa, Dawood Basha, Tawo, Bazella, Lobie, Berwol,
Fasolya.
فاصوليا عدس حامض شو هودي you have 12
Beef steak.
whatever you have 12 choices you have 12 choices you make it to mommy now 12
Mama.
Thank you.
if mommy did this week she can do it next week the other one well I know
Next week I will not make.
back to my phone
I will not make you.
you have 12
I will
all
not
of you
make basela next week. No.
you have 12 kinds of food, all of you. 12 kinds, yani for 2 weeks.
Oh no, I already have what I want. I know.
I like it.
You just eat shish barak.
Not fish bottom. Something else.
What?
No, Kian, هلا جيب ورقة وقلم شيئا. You
Yeah.
write 12 foods that you like. 12.
I know Kian his best is shish barak.
Mommy will write 12. Kian will write 12. Then we deduct the same. Don't show to each other.
Tignan niyo naman kasi may mga sulat ng dalaga ko.
28.
Ay nako.
Alright? 28. Mommy will have
You hate that?
Be careful daw.
20 punches on the right, 20 punches on the left, and whatever else will be on the board. 1, 2,
Careful.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Ma, be careful. You're sliding. Ne, be careful the plants. Yala, next, Kian.
No! Hey, you better put a one as well. Four, 18, 19, 20, the other one. Ow.
Finish?
No!
Okay.
20 more on this hand because I'm
Yala.
I hit you. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19. Hold on. Like this.
19.
No, one more.